Hello! Welcome back to Education 101 with yours truly. I am Dr. Butt. I work at the Sociological Education Ministry of Jinhua. You may have noticed that Professor looking kind of fresh, ain't he? Well, yes, that's because of my client, you could say, Dan Butt. Uski nayi video mein he shaved, so consequently I also had to shave. It's a client thing that we have going on. What? But yeah, he's been grinding out videos आजकल काफी ज़्यादा. He's really working for that sort. It's bread. Bharat. Today's subject is going to be sociology, and what we're going to be learning in sociology is Marxism. Wow. मैंने पिछली दफ़ा एडिट डाला था. I really liked it, तो मैं फिर से डाल रहा हूँ. Like, in my opinion, if you're taking sociology, you did a good thing. You're a smart person because you're gonna realize a lot of stuff later on. But Rabbi, we're just gonna talk about some theories of some dude that died years ago. Similar to the last video, I'm going to be dividing this video into two parts: the history of Marxism, or uski puri beliefs and everything, and the evaluation of Marxism. History. Viva la fin! Yes, Sean Butch, very good. If you're worried about what's wrong with him, don't worry. My brain tends to malfunction aajkal, so that also has an effect on the butts. Let's just hope I don't start thinking of some racist stereotype that isn't even accurate. Baguette Luigi! Oh, also, by the way, I'm on Twitter and TikTok. This is my ad. Itni patli hongi, what the fuck? So like, go follow me over there. Uधर भी मैं different content upload करता हूँ. You know वो जिस तरह vines होती थी, yeah, sort of like them, but yeah, back to the transition thing. Now, Marxism was founded by a German economist by the name of Karl Marx. Now you'd think this is how you spell his name, right? But boom, bitch, you thought. Put some respect on his name. This is how you actually spell it. What is he, white? What is he, white and American? Anyways. For Mr. Marx, एक society आपकी तब बनती है जब आपकी दो social classes एक दूसरे के साथ clash करती हैं. Clash करती हैं. There are two social classes जिनका conflict होता है, the proletariats and the Janbur. This is a very French sounding name. Do you wanna pronounce it? Croissant. The bourgeoisie, that's what they're called. The proletariats and the bourgeoisie. So when your favorite rappers sing about your being bad and bougie, this is what they mean. Up though it's sort of a compliment type in hip hop and shit, but I mean there's a reason there's no song called My Bitch Is Bad and Proli. Now Mr. Marx presented the idea of economic determinism. और इसका मतलब basically ये है कि जो आपकी society है, it basically factors around the economic factor, और जो बाकी society है, it's based off of the economic factor. So basically जो आपकी society का superstructure वो economic base के ऊपर revolve करती है, if that makes sense. Obviously it makes sense. I'm a doctor. Am I? Sociologists doctors होते हैं? Huh. Anyways, what I meant was जो आपके schools, religion, families हैं, they basically are formed because of the economic base of a certain society. For Marx, the prole boys, the proletariats, are made to live in a false consciousness where they don't know that they're being exploited. So जब इनको पता चलता है कि they're being exploited, so then they start to revolt because they're like, hello, what is this? ओए बच्चे, जल्दी काम कर. Boss. Psst. Huh? I heard the people in Francois are getting more ho. ओए ठीक है, हमें भी दे एंड लोशन. क्या? And with this entire conflict thing, Mr. Marx funked कि एंड में एक classless communist society बन जाएगी. Classic Karl. He further reinforced this theory by giving us the concept of historical materialism. In history, economic forces developed human societies. He talked about slavery, feudalism, and capitalism. So basically, he just gave us examples from history, basically, of how the poor people were being exploited and how that's bad, you know, hashtag eat the rich. He basically said one thing led to another, तो like slavery led to feudalism. Like slavery में थे slave owners and slaves, feudalism में थे masters and serfs, and then capitalism में थे the working class and the ruling class, and like one thing led to another. So this was his theory, and like at the end what you would get would be, as I mentioned before, communist classless society. Now that we have the history out of the way, it is time for Mr. Marx to see if your theory is still relevant and evaluate and all that shit. Oh man! I'm okay. We are gonna Anthony Fantano this and evaluate this sociological perspective to the bone. मैं भी core बोलने वाला था. I said bone. Funny. अब evaluation को भी हम दो हिस्सों में divide करेंगे. One will be the support, while the other will be the support का opposite क्या होता है? Non-support. Firstly, talking about the support, हम mention ये कर सकते हैं how his theory of false consciousness sort of held up, in the sense कि आजकल जो लोग हैं that work on social media and upload stuff, they work for these big corporations for free, and the main the main people who are getting profits are the big corporations themselves. They don't pay these content creators, they get revenue through these platforms. So like all your YouTubers, TikTokers, Instagrammers, except for me, I know I'm getting exploited. I just really need the money, anything I can get. This is second point in the support would be how abhi tak ek divide hai with the classes sort of, where in Britain only 10% of the population owns 54% of the wealth in that country. The third point in support would be how privatization of many corporations has given the ruling class even more power because they're privatized. Don't ask me why. And lastly in the support would be how जो पहले local capitalization होती थी with small चुनी मुनी जो corporations आपकी होती थी local and everything, उधर जो exploitation होती थी, now it happens on a more global scale. Yeah, you know, with these big corporations like Apple, McDonald's, Nestle, exploiting third world countries for their cheap labor. Moving on. Now time for the criticisms. Mr. Marx literally ignored the existence of the middle class, which people argue, and even sociologists like Max Weber argue, is the biggest class in today's time. सबसे ज़्यादा लोग middle class में होते हैं, because he only identified two classes, the ruling class and the working class. Marx की जो idealistic communist society थी actually took place in places like Russia and Europe and failed in the 80s and 90s. All the countries either became socialist or democratic. And in fact, जिधर उसने predict किया था ना कि successful होंगी, which were these countries, उसका opposite हुआ था. These were industrial countries that were based on industry and infrastructure. जो बाकी rather communist countries थी, which were agro-based, such as Cuba and Nicaragua, they excelled with a communist society, which is the opposite of what our boy Marx predicted. कार्ल ने बाकी factors को भी काफ़ी disregard किया था, in the sense कि उसने सिर्फ economic factors की बात की थी, and he didn't even talk about other factors such as race, such as gender, such as identity. Like, you know, gender inequality and racism didn't even exist at that time, did it? Another criticism is कि उसकी जो point थी exploitation वाली, it is directly countered by the existence of pressure groups, worker unions, trade unions, जो workers के rights को protect करती हैं, which doesn't allow them to be exploited. I don't know if that made sense, like English wise. And finally, Mr. Marx overstates the conflict जो उसका था historic materialism वाली जो उसकी theory थी. He like overstates that and understates the fact कि, you know, maybe the changes in society may have occurred due to a general consensus and not out of a general, you know, conflict. Anyways, this was Marxism with Dr. Butt, yours truly. If you didn't understand anything, leave a like. If you understood something, leave a comment. If you understood something but didn't understand some things, ये video share करें. 1 like equals to 1 Marxisms. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. मैंने पहले भी video डाली थी with psychology, तो अब अगर psychology पढ़ते हैं, you should also watch that. But yeah, अभी के लिए इतना.